What should I run, really?
Whatever your heart is telling you. That's not dagger. That's not dagger. Sam, how do you feel about the finals taking out the stun gun for the rest of the season?
I think you could use a rework. I don't know what it would be, or I don't know how they would change it.
They'd probably make it so that it like takes you out of invisibility and there's like a charge up for it. Is what I would think they would do. All right, let's go. Let's go. I'll drop.
Someone grab off.
We've got some trigger-happy contestants out there today. I love it.
Trigger-happy strategic copy is a delicate balance.
Shield online. Here's a barricade.
We've hit our first team wipe and it's a showstopper.
Whew.
Wait, why not take gateway? Whoa. Excuse me.
Yeah, did you see him glitch out?
Opportunity for retaliation,
Yeah.
I say.
That seemed like spinning like straight.
Yeah, what that was kind of odd.
Picked up a cash box.
I'm gonna keep my eyes on purple for that.
The boundless kick things
Yeah.
off.
Hacking. No, I don't think he was hacking. I think it was something
I think it was like a.
I think it was something with the winch claw.
It probably was, but don't worry, broski. Is teammate with us? What is? Is he okay?
This is me.
No, not you. Other.
I feel like I'm not. Yeah. Yo! Oh!
Crazy. And then all that died in one game.
Freaking team third parties?
There shouldn't be any parties like perfect finals, bro.
Yeah, go D. Just go D.
Nice play by the boundless, kicking off a cash out. Dome shield active.
Thank you.
Steal by the tough shells.
Nice throw, whoever did that.
That was Moa. Yo, watch this. I'm about to do something heinous to them. I'm absolutely about to spook them. This is about to be evil. Oh! Needs to stop. Yo, go point, go point.
Nice anti-theft play.
My controller.
Oh! You're fine. Our teammate's even more stupider. You get what you're mandated. Yeah, I saw that.
There's even more money on the line thanks to a new ultra rifle.
I'm gonna just run after you there now.
Bum, holy crap! Oh my god, I just. All right, heavy is resing above. He just went above. Don't go for him. Go for res me.
To polish their strategy from the side.
All right, teammates got me, but they're now they're above resing. All right, 21 cars.
The tough shells swooped up a cash box. We still have 30 seconds remaining.
He's gonna have to coin. Oh, that was evil.
Tough plays from the tough shells.
Yep, I saw that. Someone's here.
Me when I see that. Me.
Me when someone's got 21 cars. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm actually kind of popping off. I'm actually, wait, what? TTV Blazy McBlaze.
Just don't add that TTV. No, I don't need notifications. I just want to search something up and it'll be like 2 seconds. Blaze?
Blazy McBlaze.
Blazy Blazy McBlaze?
Yeah.
No, wait. It's Blaze McBlazy Face. Blazy McBlaze Face. Start watching.
Blazy McBlaze face. What's
The game is louder than his audio.
The stage is set. It's
Dang.
showtime.
It's like you when you were playing Splitgate.
Yeah, Splitgate, I don't know.
The arena feels different.
Will I get Splitgate when it comes out?
This match
I'll
is
try it.
a work in
Oh dang, this is gonna be tough.
contestants.
Blaze McBlaze Face? Like popping off?
A contestant is
Oh!
cutting through the
He's won, there's a dude right there! Blazy McBlaze face! Oh.
Whoa, rapid fire takedowns.
Wait,
I
wait,
feel
wait,
like-
what the heck? He actually turned his hat climb on or something because he's now 5-1.
That's fun.
A heist halted. That's how you protect your earnings, folks.
Okay.
Well played.
Oh, so refreshing. Not dragging.
Another watch out for the big splash.
Holy
Tough
crap,
times
go for it.
multiply. Get
No
inside.
need for towels. They've been left high and dry.
Oh, this is fun.
The Boundless are re-entering.
Yo, I'm revi-
What a way to open the match.
You just canceled my res with opening the door.
A cash
We gotta
box
get
has
better
been
at doubling cash out somehow.
control of it.
Me when I want all the money.
The first half set the stage. Field active. Time to disappear.
Man.
The big splash can't catch
Okay.
a break.
And so that's all pink left is on the front.
Reinforcing the area.
Dang, it's just too many!
Destructible environment today.
Dude, reload your gun.
We've got the big splash returning to the arena.
They'll be looking
Alright, so he does not, he's not using defib,
better
which
watch their step.
That's kind of a stupid thing. But I forgive. That's what life is.
yo.
You make mistakes and we forgive.
Trick up your shell. The tough shells steal it.
Forgive, forget.
Now that's how you play to win this game, Chef.
No, you could forgive and not forget.
Right there.
Here's the gun.
It's just like what I do every day, bro.
Rock it out.
Every day, bro.
Raising a shield. Here's some protection. I guess
There we
lightning
go.
does strike more than once another team like for the big splash.
Oh my gosh. Wait, no way, we're gonna get it. Yo, we got it. We got it.
I hate that sword person. Even though I tend to kill that sword person.
There's one. There's two.
And 3 looks like he's on an adventure. I don't know if you saw that, but okay.
Oh my god.
Mega damage event is still active.
I'm chasing.
And there's already enough digital debris in the arena to make you think a pack of vandals got loose out there. Honey, I'm home.
Well then, there's only one here. Simple logic, Roy.
Oh. Because they ran into us. They're here right there.
I see him.
Gonorrhea reload.
Oh my god.
Are we gonna go final round? Or win a tournament first game of the day?
Maybe. Wait, last second I accidentally fell off the map, but the game ended like 1 sec before.
Alright,
Oh.
wait, yo Sam, we're taking TV Blazeface to the final round.
I thought I was gonna make it. Cause
Oh,
I saw the
Sam!
I don't know what's up with that one light. Very aggressive. So
Oh my god.
I see where they are.
We want it to get a little closer.
A little closer. I'm almost there.
Alright, I'm jumping. No! They're not dead. Our teammate's an idiot.
What happened to teammate? What?
Yo, no, we stole.
I love the effort. I love the effort. I think you can do a bit better than that.
We stole the cash out.
Where were you? I stole.
Yo, I literally stole the cash out. What were you guys doing? I feel like that's what he would say right now.
There's only life remaining.
Nothing's a guarantee, Scotty. That's the beauty of this game.
Oh, okay, kind of clutch. Actually,
clutch?
really clutch. Holy crap.
Maybe stealing cash out was worth it.
Yo, wait, I think this guy's onto something. Maybe we should just steal.
Seems that they're almost unbreakable.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna drop it.
The tough shells have commenced.
Actually, should I drop it or no? Oh, wait, you guys, I have an idea. Sam, go into this floor. This could be stupid.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
when they come here, all right, they're here already.
Say it quicker.
They're gonna I'm gonna drop it when they try to steal. Cause you know that's not their name, quarterback. Sam, what?
Wait, drop it. Drop it like it's hot.
Acting like a fool with your pants on the ground. Oh! Yo. Just turn this TV off.
I actually love that song. Okay, so they're on top.
Oh, yo, wait, we got this. Let's go! That's so good, Sam! We got
First game in.
first game in. First game in, we got a little tournament done.
Let's go. I'll say GG. Blazy fit.
Yeah, Blazy face. I actually haven't won a tournament in so long. He's Diamond 1! Wait, he's Diamond 1.